Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix WARDOGS Crash Report Handler. The application has encountered an unexpected error, so if you did encounter that, well, in this video I'll show you how to fix them. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, go ahead and try to verify files from the Steam app itself. Now go ahead and click on your Steam. On the top left, click Library. Right click on WARDOGS right over here. Say this WARDOGS. Properties, and on the left panel, click Install Files and verify integrity of game files. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might be affecting the Crash Handler reporter. So go ahead and wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is going up. Once done, go ahead and close that out and relaunch the game. Now, if it still doesn't work, go ahead and click on your keyboard Windows plus I right over here, and then go to Windows Update. Just go ahead and type that in, check for updates. Sometimes it doesn't sync with the server or the update. It's very weird, but sometimes it really works. Go ahead and check for updates right over here. And if you do have any pending updates, just go ahead and update your Windows. Once done, do the installation, restart your PC, and your game should be working. Now, another thing you can do is basically the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. To do that, just go ahead and click on settings on the start menu right over here, and then type in graphics. Click on graphics settings. As you can see, mine is currently turned on. Now, if it is currently turned off on your PC, go ahead and turn that on, and it will ask you to restart your PC to change and take effect. Now, once done, just go ahead and restart your PC, close that out, and then relaunch your game. One thing to do is also, if none of those three steps did work, we can go ahead and actually delete the easy anti-cheat folder. So we can go ahead and automatically download it for you. Now to do that, let's say we have a WARDOGS right over here. Right click on WARDOGS, hover up to manage, post local files. As you can see, easy anti-cheat right over here. So basically this game and WARDOGS has the same anti-cheat system. Just go ahead and click on it and delete right over here. Close that out, right click again, properties, install files, and verify integrity of game files. So it will restore the easy anti-cheat folder, and it doesn't crash anymore with the error. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.